in Japan, parents have no time to cook for dinner. So companies come up with products to help speed things up. And some say there's a lot of people in Japan live alone. So companies have to come up with innovative ways to help them prepare their food. Here we have a department store from Japan called Don Don Donki, and they sell products like this. I run a tech channel, so I review technologies, and today we'll be looking at a food technology. So I found one of those things that interests me. Microwave oven pasta cooker. Right, these things oftentimes seem ridiculous. But this one's cool. This one interests me because I can cook my pasta quickly. No longer you will need to wait for the water to boil in the pot and put your noodles in, spinning around like mad, hoping it doesn't stick to the pot. Taste it like 50 times and make sure that it's cooked. By the time you actually finish cooking, 1/4 of it is already been eaten without the sauce. Anyways, so from the look of it, what it's doing is you put the pastas in, put it in the microwave, it's good to go. So here's some instructions. So you put the noodles in, and then it's got this line on the side, and it's asking you to put some salt in it, half a spoonful, and you put it in the microwave, set it up about 5 minutes or so, and then you can put the lid on to drain the water out. And that's about it. It's asking for a 500 watt microwave for 5 minutes for one person serving. Seems simple enough. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing, see what's what. Pretty much just a plastic container really. That's it. Alright, so it's got a lid. The lid doesn't snap on, so it's really just a cover. Okay, so that's the container. Here you have a line, that's where you stop the water. And yeah, it seems like what you do is you put 1 serving of pasta in it, spaghetti to be specific. And it's got those holes on the bins on the side, or holes on the side, that it's gonna help when you're microwaving it. And also when you put the lid on, you can drain out the water without burning your hands. So that's pretty cool. Here's the thing about Japanese product that I really like. It just seems to be so considerate sometimes. So here's some information about how to cook the noodle. Well, it's the same information as it is on the packaging, but the packaging is just a piece of plastic, so it's written right here on the lid, so you don't lose it. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is there's so much information on this lid. For example, here's where the water drain is, and it is written to tell you that's where you drain the water, like so. And it's nice and clear, you can see it. And here on the side where you lift the container, it's telling you be careful that it is hot. So it tells you stuff like that. It's being considerate because that's how you use it. So that's cool. And there's some other information, the basic information about how to cook it correctly with this device. Well, device, I should say, with this food technology. And yeah, so it's got the 1 serving information, uses 500 watt, 5 minutes, and it also give you another setting where some people does eat more. So 1.5 person serving, 500 watt, 6 minutes. So it gives you some options where if you're not sure how much you want to put, if you do eat more, generally speaking, you don't have to think about how much you actually eat. All you have to do is sort of follow that. You know you'll get more than 1 person serving. So stuff like this is really considered. That's something I really like about Japanese products sometimes. Okay, so yeah, since it's food technology, you're gonna try it with food. So without further ado, let's test this thing out. Alright, so that's that. Let's give it a taste. Hey, it's close, but it needs just a bit longer. 3 more minutes will do. Now we drain the water out. Not exactly 5 minutes it says, but I think we can make minor adjustments. Draining is simple and easy. Alright, I got these ready to eat spaghetti sauce. Now you just need to heat it up for a couple of minutes. Alright, done. A great pasta meal in under 10 minutes. But note, you should use hot water on this, so you probably want to add water boil time if you got a kettle. I was making a meat sauce version earlier. It took 2 more rounds of 5 minutes to make it soft. So that's 15 minutes instead of 5 to 8. So cooking it with hot water is recommended if you want it done quicker. Okay, so here are my benchmarks. So if you want to cook it with room temperature water, it takes 3 rounds of 5 minutes plus the 3 minutes to heat the sauce. So that makes it 18 minutes in total. If you boil the water first, it just takes about 2 minutes. So that makes a total of 11 minutes. Much quicker if you have the hot water going already. So yeah, that's that. Cook it with the boiled water. Microwave pasta cooker. Not too bad. It is simple, cheap, and it works. Well, within acceptable range of time anyways. Alright, so that'll be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be coming back at you with something different next time. Alright, see ya.